Hey beauties, welcome back to another Spruce News video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I am doing a different type of video today. This is all about products that I've recently purchased and also products that I've recently been sent in PR. So obviously I'm not a massive YouTuber, I don't get boxes and boxes and boxes of PR goodies, but I do get some really great goodies in the post from, you know, a few agencies and a few brands, and I thought I'd share those with you today because it may be some products you've never heard of. So I may be educating you on a few new brands that you may want to try, you may not want to try, I mean, you never know. So I have a load over here. So I'll start with products I've recently purchased and then we'll go into products that I have been sent in PR. Please don't see this as me bragging. I'm not a bragger, I would never do that. So I hope that you don't believe that I'm bragging. I just wanted to share, you know, some fantastic goodies that I've been sent that I'm really, really thankful for. So yeah, let's get started. Otherwise I'm going to be chatting forever and we don't want that. Recent purchases, obviously you guys, you may have seen the blog, you may have seen the video. I'll post the video that I've recently done on this up, you know, up in that space up there. So this is obviously the Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette. This is my most recent palette purchase. Obviously I'm addicted to palettes. I don't know that you can see, but they're all down there at the moment. I have loads, far too many for one girl. I need to give them away. So this is obviously what the palette looks like. I am honestly, completely and utterly obsessed with this palette. It's just beautiful. I'm a coral girl. You guys know I'm a coral girl. I will post it up above so you can see all how to use it, you know, how I use it, what's good, etc, etc. And I've also got a blog which I'll link below for you if you want to read it. But I love this palette, it's so beautiful, and for me it's the perfect summer holiday palette. Small, compact. It is £25, but it's definitely worth the investment. But you can find these shadows potentially in other palettes, so do consider the price because it is quite pricey for a small palette. Let's not forget that. But yeah, Huda Beauty. Next I've purchased, and I've recently purchased this, I've not reviewed it yet. The review will be going up on my channel on Thursday, and it's the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is what the box looks like. And this is what the bottle looks like. It's very, very beautiful, very, very sleek. I got the shade 6.25. I am hoping it's my shade. We don't know yet. I will be doing a proper review because I want to do it so I'm wearing it all day so I can show you the longevity of the foundation, etc, etc. So I haven't yet reviewed this, but I will, and yeah, so watch this space for that one. But I'm so disappointed because I did purchase the Giorgio Armani foundation, Luminous Silk foundation, obviously, but I also purchased two new Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, and they came from Feel Unique, and the box was damaged, and the lipsticks, although the lipstick inside the case wasn't damaged, the case of the lipstick was damaged, the boxes were damaged. I was just so disappointed with Feel Unique. I was just completely gutted that they were, but this is actually stood up fine, so all good. That was my little rant about Feel Unique. Disappointed, although the customer service, you know, it was actually quite good, so I think they're replacing my lipsticks. But yeah, we'll see. Next, I purchased the Revolution Pro Full Cover Camouflage Foundation. As you can see, it's still in the packaging. I haven't yet reviewed this. I do want to review this foundation because I've done my review on the foundation drops, as you guys know. And I also now want to do the review of the foundation coverage, full coverage one, if that makes sense. So this is new, this is coming soon. I will be doing a review on it. I'm very excited to try this out. I wonder if it's like the foundation stick. I don't know, who knows? Ooh. Along with my Makeup Revolution big haul that I did, I also purchased these three palettes. Obviously Dragon Heart palette, which is this one, which I've already done a look on. I'll link that above as well. But there is also Unicorn Heart and Mermaid Heart that I need to do. So this is Unicorn Heart. Very pretty. And then Mermaid Heart, which is very yellows, blues, like teals. And I'm very excited to try this as well because I'm not really big on blues. I don't usually do many blue eye looks, so it'd be good to kind of try this out and see what I can create. So there will be a review of these as well, but they're my recent purchases. I'm very excited because the formula for Revolution makeup is pretty good actually. Along with that, I bought 3 lipsticks. So I've bought a lipstick for the Dragon Heart palette, and then I also have 2 lipsticks, one for Mermaid, one for Unicorn. So when I do the looks with those, I'll also be reviewing these. I've purchased the shades Fantasy Realm, Deep Under and Flame. So yeah, very excited about that. And then, okay, so along with my order, because there's a million people that are following Makeup Revolution or something like that, they sent a free palette, and I'm not going to lie, this palette is probably better quality than any of the others. So this is what it looks like. It reminds me of like a Marc Jacobs palette meets a Naked palette meets Makeup Revolution, and the quality, like, so buttery, like, and really pigmented, like insanely pigmented. So I really want to do a review on this. I think it's very, you know, it's a classic palette. I think most people would work well with this. I think you could create a variety of different eye looks. So I do like it, and I also like the packaging because it's very different to their cardboard normal packaging. It makes it feel more luxury. So I do wonder if this is where Makeup Revolution is going. We'll see. But yeah, there's that. And finally, on the purchase front, probably really random, but I purchased the Aveeno Daily Moisturising Lotion. This is what it looks like. Okay, and honestly guys, I love this body lotion. I tend to get really quite dry all year round. My skin just gets really dry. No idea why, no clue, but it does. And I purchased this because obviously I ran out of body butter, because I've been using the Dove body butter for quite some time, and I've run out of that, so then I thought I need to get a new one, and I decided to test this out, and it's actually really good. It moisturises for 24 hours. Okay, so it doesn't do that. That's a lie. It doesn't moisturise for 24 hours. It really annoys me when brands put that on any packaging because it's wrong, you know. But it is very good, and it's great for dry skin, and it does last quite a long time, just not 24 hours. But yeah, really do recommend that. It's about £3, I think, so perfect. Right, so that's the latest purchases over and done with. Let's get into what I've been sent. Some of these you probably have already seen because I've done reviews on them, but I thought I would do like a collective. Do you know what I mean? So I'll show you what you've already seen. So obviously Eco by Sonia Driver, the cleanser, face cream and the exfoliator. As you can see, I've been using this like every single day. It's so good. I could not recommend this product more to you guys because it just really great on the skin, really refreshing in the morning, really helps like purify your skin, and also just it feels amazing. My skin feels so soft and just really clean, which is what you want in a cleanser. And I've also been using the exfoliator, so obviously I use this once a week. And this is also really good. It's really quite intense, so you do have to be careful. If you've got sensitive skin, I probably wouldn't use this because it feels quite harsh, but it is a wonderful, wonderful exfoliator. So if you've got combination skin like me, or you just don't have sensitive skin at all, I think this would be quite good for you. So there's those goodies. I've also been sent these little beauties from Body Blends, and this is 2 lip masks which look like this, and they look so cool. So I'm very, very excited to try these out. I've just not had a chance to do that as of yet. And then there's the Body Blends, which is a vanilla blush coffee scrub. And Body Blends is like an Australian brand. I'll link them below for you. And they reached out to me, they asked me if they can send me some of their products to review, and I was like, definitely, I love body scrubs. And I'm so, so excited to try this. The packaging looks really quite funky. I love like this lilac, light purple colour as well. I think it looks really quite classy. And it says on the back, formulated to actively target cellulite, stretch marks, acne and eczema with caffeine. Girl, I have stretch marks. So I'm very excited to try this out. It's enriched with oatmeal and vitamin E, and it's a skin loving match made in heaven apparently. So I'm very, 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 very excited to test this out. I will do a review on this because I find that every beauty video I tend to see is all about makeup, and obviously you can get skincare ones, but there's not like many, and I just find that I love watching reviews on like body scrubs and body butter and like things that would actually I want to buy into. So I'm very, very excited to test this. I was also recently sent this Coconut Fusion Shimmering Herbal Body Souffle from Hempz and a lip balm as well. I am in love with this body butter. It smells divine. It's got this really nice shimmer to it. So when you put it on your skin, it's like you've got a highlighter all over your body, but like not too much where it's just like, whoa, what is that? It's just really it's quite subtle, but it looks gorgeous. And on a summer's day, when you've got your arms out or your legs out, it just looks beautiful on the skin. I probably wouldn't put it on your face, otherwise you'll look like Edward Cullen from Twilight, but put it on your body. It's beautiful. So I'll also link where you can find this below. I don't have a code. I'm not, you know, this is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to share these things, but I will link where you can find these products below. So just in case you're interested in testing them out, but I definitely recommend that. I've been sent lashes from Kiss, and I'm not really a lash girl. You know, I don't really wear lashes a lot of the time, but if I do wear lashes, I do reach for these, and they're so beautiful. And they're like really quite flamboyant, they look really thick, but there's someone I've got quite big eyes. I also have quite long lashes, so I need a more fuller fake eyelash to kind of match well with my natural eye, if that makes sense. So that's what I love about these, because they're really just gorgeous. So yeah, recommend those. I was sent a load of awesome goodies from NYX. So I was sent these duochromatic lip glosses, and I've got 7 of these, and they're all in really unusual kind of colours, if you can see, like greens, blues, purples, and I just find them so fascinating. I mean, look at that. It's just so cool. I just think it's so quirky, and I don't know anyone really that would wear these on an everyday basis, but if you're like dressing up for something, or you want something a bit different, or you've got like a really deep dark lipstick on and you want something just to boost that, I think these will be pretty cool for that. I will do a proper review, like swatch and review of all of these for you anyway, see what they're like, whether they're worth wearing, what they actually look like on. So there's those. NYX also sent me a load of shimmer pigments. So I've got 2 shimmer pigments, and then I think 4 metallic glitter palettes, I think they're called. And they're really, I do like to play around with glitter, and I think creating really unusual looks. And there's some really beautiful ones in here, you can't really see, but they're just really different. So I'm excited to kind of test those out as well. Thank you, NYX, honestly, it was very, very sweet. I always love NYX products because I find them really affordable, and a lot of their stuff is just such amazing quality. And then also finally from NYX, I've got a holographic halo finishing powder, which looks honestly just so pretty. It's like a really nice like peachy shimmery colour, but I feel like for a finishing powder maybe not, but like for a highlighter potentially. So I might try and test that out and see it as a highlighter, because I wouldn't finish with a really shimmery powder. And next on my list is these 2 Imperial Candles lip scrubs, and I've got Cherry Crush and Bubblegum. Honestly guys, these smell so good. Oh. It's like cherry cola and bubblegum, honestly. I cannot wait to test these out. I will be doing a review just of these because I just find them really quite interesting, and I do get really bad dry lips, so it's really great that they sent me these. I like that these are made in England. These are an English brand. These are like really quite more personal and a bit more unique, and yeah, I'm very excited to review these. And then finally, I got sent this parcel this morning, and this is by VitaClean HQ. I think they might be called VitaClean, and It's like this vitamin C and essential oils filtered shower head. And honestly, you're probably thinking, what? Why would you want that? Honestly, I'm so excited to test this out. It's essentially, you get obviously a new shower head, and you've got this little plug-in that goes inside the shower head, and you can wash your hair, it cleans your water better, like makes your skin really soft. So I'm very, very, very excited. I won't show you everything that's in here because I'm going to be doing a proper review on this. But they sent me so many goodies, and I'm so thankful for everything that I've been sent. So yeah, I'll get into more detail about them at another date. But yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's really quick, simple, and probably just a bit like, yeah, okay. But I just thought I'd show you a few things that I'm loving, a few things that I've purchased that I'm interested in reviewing, and then a few things that I've been sent that I will be reviewing on my channel as well. I hope you have a fantastic evening, day, whatever time you're watching this, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!